Elevate your meal experience with our latest innovation. Introducing Fresh Express Hot or Cold Salad and Noodle Meal Kits. Savor our new innovative kits, delightfully hot or cold. In just 5 minutes, you can indulge yourself with a warm dish of your new favorite comfort food. Or delight your senses with a refreshing cold meal straight from the pack and into your bowl. A blend of chilled, freshly chopped vegetables, ready-to-eat pre-cooked noodles, gourmet dressing sauce, and delicious toppings. That's right, pour on the flavor. With 3 new flavors, teriyaki, Asian sweet ginger, and Korean sesame, there's something for everyone. Fresh Express Hot or Cold Salad and Noodle Meal Kits. Your salad, your way. Find it in your fresh cut vegetables or your salad section.